Hello, this is Vladimir Esteves, and I'll be showing you one of my final projects for one of my second year web development classes. And the project was to build a quiz application, like a game, a web application that will focus on like a trivia kind of game. And we're using like WebSockets, and we have all this like hosted on a local host, as you can see. And yeah, the source code is gonna be on the my portfolio web page, like the GitHub repository. And also feel free to contact me if you have any questions about it. I'll be also posting some task assignments in the website, so you can also have access to them. Yeah, so the way the quiz works is that we're using the local storage of the browser to keep some of the information we'll be sending to create the leaderboard, and also to determine who's the host, and yeah, to keep the score essentially, mainly. And we're also using WebSockets, which is a technology that we never used before. The quiz is built on React, and it's very, very simple front-end wise. And to make it work properly, it was a little bit of a struggle, since it was one of our first real applications that we built from scratch, and it's working pretty well. But it's all like local hosted for that moment. We're not working with Amazon Web Services or anything. So yeah, let's just give it a go. So since it's using internal storage to keep information on the browser, we're using three different browsers here. Yeah, I'll be showing you how it works. So here, when we go to the main view, where there's a button to host the quiz, like a little bit like a Kahoot quiz. And here, if we go, let's say, to sports, and we take 10 seconds per answer and three questions, we can create a room. We get a randomly generated code that we put in the to join, like on the join view of the quiz. Here we'll be calling this guy player 1, and here we'll be calling this guy player 2. So here you can So here, if I join, there's one player that joined, and there's another one there. So now if we start a quiz here on the host view, we're only going to be seeing the questions and the right answer. And on the player's view, we'll be like actually playing. And there's a timer that's going to be going on. And whenever the timer stops, the question changes. There's no like pause in between. Like there's a feature that could be added, like a next button for the, like, say, if you ever done a Kahoot quiz, there's like actually like when you do all the questions, like the teacher waits and answers the question stuff. So now yeah, that's it's just one question after the other, and then at the end we get the leaderboard. So let's give it a try. So here, let's say Japan, and here Australia. Sorry if I don't have time reading the questions. Forgot about that. Is in what sport is shuttlecock used? Shuttlecock, I guess. Well, badminton, it seems. And then which African American is in part responsible major? Let's say Jackie Robinson here. So I think the second one got like two right questions. Yeah. So here you see we got the leaderboard, and that's about it for the game. There's not much else, and yeah, it was a lot of work, and there was a lot of stuff that we learned, and hope you like it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.